Okay, hello guys! Hello Kamath learners! Welcome again! Kung bago ka lang sa aking YouTube channel, hello! My name is Teacher Jude. Welcome to Learn Math PH. Ito yung continuation ng ating video no nakaraan. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood ng part 1, I will give the link on the description box below. Ito yung MTOP Reviewer Grade 6 Part 2. So without further ado, let's get started! Okay, so ang first question natin, in a telephone poll, 24 persons said that they like to jog on a Sunday morning and 18 persons said that they prefer to stay late in bed. What is the ratio of the number of persons who likes to jog in the morning to the total number of persons in the poll? So, meron tayong given para sa question number 1. Ang ating solution, ang given natin, meron tayong ratio na binigay 24:18. 24, ito yung mga gustong mag-jogging, 18 gustong matulog. So, ang question, ilan yung gustong mag-jogging sa total nito. So, ito total natin to. 24 plus 18 is 42. Yung total ng persons na sinurvey. Ang total is 24 plus 18 equals 42. So, ang ating ratio ngayon is 24 is to, ilan yung total? 42. So, 24 is to 42. Ang 24 is to 42 ay pwede rin gawing 24 over 42. So, para ma-simplify yan, kasi kailangan pa nating i-simplify yan. So, para ma-simplify yan, kailangan nating malaman ang GCF. Ano yung GCF? Ito yung greatest common factor. So, ano yung greatest common factor ng 24 over 42? So, para malaman, kailangan mag-factoring. So, 24 tayo muna. So, kailangan nating malaman yung GCF. So, dito tayo sa 24. Tapos, ito naman yung 42. So, para mag-factoring, ganito lang kasimple. Divided by 2, 12. Divided by 2, 6. Divided by 2, 3. 3. Okay, so ang factors ng 24 is 2, 2, 2, and 3. 2 times 2 and 2 times 2 times 3. Okay. So yung 42 naman, 42 divided by 2 is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So the factors is 2, 3, and 7. So para ang pinaka dyan, what is the greatest common factor? Alamin natin kung ano yung common sa kanila. 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Kaya ang greatest common factor ng 24 and 42, ang greatest common factor is 6. Okay? So, nakuha nyo ba? Tinignan natin dito kung ano yung common sa kanila. Ang common sa kanila is 2 and 3. Kaya times natin, 2 times 3, 6. Kaya nakuha natin yung GCF. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, Kamath learners, is ito. So, ang gagawin natin, 24 over 42, isi-simplify natin siya. I-divide natin both sides, both numerator and denominator, divided by 6. Okay? So, 24 divided by 6 is 4. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 4 over 7 is gagawin nating ratio. Kaya, 4 is to 7. So, be careful dito, guys, or Kamath learners, kasi kung ang tanong ay kung ilan yung total is to ilan yung gusto mag-jogging, 7 is to 4 ang sagot natin. Pero kung yung kagaya ng dun sa tanong, nauna kasi yung who likes to jog. So, nauna yung 4. Okay? So, be careful tayo dyan. Depende sa tanong. So, the final answer is 4:7. Okay, so, madali lang guys, no? So, sana naintindihan ninyo. Pakiulit na lang kung hindi. So, next question. Okay, hello guys, ulit. So, the second question goes this way. The sum of two numbers is 56, and their difference is 14. What are the numbers? So, ang solution natin dyan, ka-math learners, is ganito. Let x be the first number. Let y be the second number. So, si x yung mas malaking number, si y yung mas maliit na number. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, gagawa tayo ng equation based sa problems. So, binanggit, the sum of two numbers is 56. So, the sum, ibig sabihin plus x plus y equals 56. Kasi yung sum ng dalawang numbers. Ngayon, their difference is 14. So, kasi si x yung mas malaki, so minus kasi difference, di ba? Ang difference nila is 14. So, ito yung equation 1. Ito naman yung equation 2. Okay? So, gagamitin natin yung equation 1 muna para makuha natin ang value ni x. So, step 1. Ang una nating equation, ito. X plus y equals 56. I-copy lang natin. X plus y equals 56. Okay? Ngayon, ita-transpose na natin si y sa kabila. So, ililipat lang natin siya. So, x equals 56 minus y. Kasi plus y siya. So, pag nilipat, nagiging minus y. So, meron na tayong value ni x. Ngayon, step 2, isa-substitute natin siya dun sa value ni x dito. Okay, so para sa ating step 2, ang gagawin natin ay substitution. So, ano yung isa-substitute natin? Yung value kanina ni x. Ang value kanina ni x ay x equals 56 minus y. So, ang gagawin natin, gamit ang ating second equation. Ito yung x minus y equals 14. Isa-substitute natin yung value ni x dito. Dun sa baba. Okay. So, 56 minus y yung value ni x. Minus y equals 14. So, bring down 56. So, i-simplify natin. Minus y. O negative y minus y equals minus 2y equals 14. So, ang gagawin natin, ililipat natin siya, yung 56 dun sa kabila. So, minus 2y equals 14 minus 56. So, bring down minus negative 2y equals 14 minus 56 is negative 42. So, ang gagawin natin, dapat maiwan lang dito ay cy. So, divided by negative 2. Both sides, negative 2. Divided by negative 2. So, cancel. Y equals. So, negative divided by negative, ang rule dyan is magiging positive siya. Okay? So, negative 42 divided by negative 2 is positive 21. So, alam na natin yung isang number. Para makuha yung isa pang number, i-minus natin. Bakit? Kasi gamit ang equation 1 na ginamit natin kanina, x plus y equals 56. Alam na natin kung ano yung value ni y. Ano yung value ni y? 21. So, substitution. x plus 21 equals 56. Si 21, ilipat natin si 21, ililipat natin, so x equals 56. Itong plus 21, pag nilipat, magiging minus 21. So x equals 35. Okay? So para ma-checking, x plus y equals 56. 35 plus 21 equals 56. 56 equals 56. Correct. So isa pa, yung equation 2, ito yung equation 1. Ang checking na tayo ha, x minus y equals 14. 35 minus 21 equals 14. And 14 equals 14. So, tama. So, therefore, ang ating final answer, 35 and 21. This is the final answer. So what are the numbers? The numbers are 35 and 21. Okay, so madali lang guys, no? Basta nauunawaan nyo yung process. So ang ginawa natin, ginamit natin yung equation 2. Tapos sinubstitute natin yung value ng x. Yan, sinimplify, nakuha natin si y, 21. So, tapos i-minus natin 21 to sa 56. Kaya nakuha natin yung value ni x, 35. Just checking natin. Okay? So, next question. Okay, hello guys. So, ang ating third question, the question goes this way. The average of 6 numbers is 70. If 75, which is one of the numbers, is subtracted from the sum of these 6 numbers, what is the average of the remaining 5? So, ang ating solution dito, alam natin, ang given ay average of 6 numbers. Is 70. So, alam natin kung ano yung formula ng average. Ano yung formula ng average? Average equals sum divided by number of numbers. Okay? Alam natin yung ang average ay 70, so substitution, 70 equals sum divided by 6 kasi ang number of numbers is 6. So para makuha natin kung ilan yung sum, so yung itatranspose natin tong 6 sa kabila. So divide siya, so magiging times. 70 times 6 equals sum. So 70 times 6, 420. So alam na natin kung ilan yung sum. Ngayon, pagpatuloy natin, if 75, which is one of the numbers, is subtracted from the sum of these 6 numbers, what is the average? So kailangan nating i-minus, i-subtract yung 75. Okay? So 420 minus 75. So kailangan nating i-minus yan. So ang sagot ay 345. Ito yung sum of 5 numbers. Okay? 345. Sabi sa tanong, what is the average of the remaining 5? So, i-divide natin itong 345 sa 5. Bakit? Bakit hindi 6? Bakit 5. Kasi nga, nawala na yung 75. So, kanina 6 numbers siya. Pero ngayon naging 5 na lang kasi nawala na yung 75. So, 345 divided by 5 is 6. 30. 45 divided by 5, 9. So, the final answer is the average of 5 numbers is 69. Okay? The average of 5 numbers is 69. Next question. Okay, so sa ating fourth question, ang question ay, what is the product of 8 and 2/3 and 2 and 2/5? So, solution is, isulat muna natin. 8 and 2/3, so times 2 and 2/5. Okay? So first of all, kailangan muna nating itong tinatawag na mixed numbers. So merong whole number, tapos may fraction. So gagawin natin siyang improper fraction. Improper fraction is yung mas malaki yung numerator kaysa sa denominator. So ang gagawin natin, times, tapos plus. Okay? So 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 2, 26. Over, copy, 3. Ulit. 3 times 8, 24 plus 2 equals 26. Tapos, i-copy natin yung denominator niya. Times, ganun din gagawin natin dito. Times, tapos plus. So 5 times 2, 10, plus 2, 12. Over, copy natin yung denominator, 5. So, ito yung 26 divide over 3 times 12 over 5. Kasi what is the product? So, times ito. Multiplication ito. So, ang gagawin, cancel. So, lagi tayong magtitingin kung may pwede tayong i-cancel. So, ito magiging 4. Kasi 12 divided by 3 is 4. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay. So, ang sagot, 26 times 4 is 104. Over 1 times 5, 5. So, i-divide natin siya 104 divided by 5. Okay? Kasi gagawin natin siyang isi-simplify pa natin. 104 divided by 5 is 2 times 5, 10. 4 divided by 5, 0. Okay. So, ang pinakasagot natin is 20 and 4 over 5. So, ito yung sagot. Okay? So, ang ginawa muna natin itong improper fraction. Tapos, tsaka natin minultiply. Hindi pwedeng ganito yung sagot natin kasi pwede pa natin siyang i-simplify, which is 20 and 4/5. So, this is the final answer. Next question. Okay, so sa ating fifth, final, last but not the least, ang question natin is, what is the value of the blank in 4 times 3 plus blank equals 48? So, ang solution natin, itong blank gagawin nating x. So, 4 times 3 plus x equals 48. So, ang gagawin natin para maalis to i-divide natin both sides by 4. Cancel. So bring down 3 plus x equals 48 divided by 4, 12. So para maalis natin yung matira natin ay x lang, ito yung 3, ita-transpose natin sa kabila. So x equals 12 minus 3. So x equals 12 minus 3, 9. So checking tayo guys. So 4, 3 plus, i-substitute natin yung 9 dito. So ito yung kinakopy natin yung sa taas. 4 times 3 plus 9 equals 48. So 3 plus 9, 12 equals 48. Kapag ganito, multiplication yan. 4 times 12 equals 48. 48 equals 48. So tama ang sagot natin. The final answer is x equals 9. So that is the value of the blank. Okay? Okay, maraming salamat ka-math learners sa inyong walang sawang panonood na ating mga videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Learn Math PH with Teacher Jude, of course. And kung nagustuhan nyo ito, paki-thumbs up naman. At kung may tanong kayo, pwede nyo itanong sa comment section. Kaya kung kita-kita tayo sa susunod nating mga future videos at more exciting mga uploads natin. Kaya pakisuyo, pagka-subscribe ninyo, pwedeng paki-on na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga latest uploads. Okay? So, just remember, every problem, there is always and there will always be a solution. So, love lots, keep smiling, and keep learning. Bye!